guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Untrue Legends. Today we are flying in Welling in southeast London, so without further ado, let's take off. Alright, drone's up in the sky, as you can see. Just gonna go to the 360-degree photo. And then we're just gonna explore Welling here in southeast London. It's a nice sunny day here. Well, it's on and off cloudy, so I hope we do get a nice sunny day, because when I left it was actually constantly sunny and then the clouds just started coming. Then what we're going to do, we're going to do a 360-degree photo. Oh no, strong wind just stopped the 360 photo. It was almost done as well, it was like 40% done, because I'm not feeling any wind today. Let's just zip around now, and we'll do it at the end. I don't even know where this wind came from, because it wasn't windy when I left. Just a gust. We're getting max 10-mile-an-hour winds, and I don't know why it's so strong. I think when the clouds come, it's a strong wind, even though there's no winds today. So anyway, let's just explore this area, and we'll do a 360 photo at the end. I wasted a little bit of battery there, but what can we do? I can feel the wind now, it's really strong. It's come to where I am now. Yeah, it's because of these clouds, the way the clouds are scattered around now. It's windy like it's a windy day. That's literally what it is. And I planned this day specifically to avoid the windy day, and I just can't avoid it. So let's just go down towards the car park. See, the wind just gets stronger and weaker, because I think the clouds, because of the heat's in a different part of the area, the clouds create differences within the heat, so that's the issue. Just look how fast we're going. We're going in tailwind now. I had a second battery ready, but I might not use it now because the weather just suddenly changed to being windy. I don't know how it got so windy now. It's literally really windy. I have no idea how it got so windy. Just follow this blue car down towards this area. Let's explore Welling, London Borough of Bexley. See, just the wind is so strong at this very moment. Just at this moment, like I should have waited. Yeah, I should have waited before taking off. It's so strong, literally. It's like a windy day. I don't know how this happened. It's like it's 22 miles an hour wind, even though it's a calm day. The weather app said it's a calm day. 10 miles an hour. And I think it's the difference between the heat between the clouds and the sun. Let's just come towards this area. Like my battery's gonna burn out really fast now. It's gonna be a short drone flight because of this. Like I waited for a calm day and then this happens. So it's windy basically every day then. Like, look how strong it is. You can actually hear it in the mic. I don't think the mic can pick it up that much because my DJI mic's got wind muffs on it, which is really good. It doesn't affect the video that much, but then yeah, it's so strong, this wind. I would have not flown it if I knew it was this windy. Again, the weather app did not say that. It gets it wrong because you can't predict the way the clouds. You can't predict exactly where the clouds are. And look how the drone's moving really slowly. Let's get the whole shot of Bexley in one shot. Especially near the Morrison's area. Let's get the whole area in one shot. That is bad. The drone's moving so like slowly. I don't want to risk it because then it's going to get lost in the wind. That's how people lose their drones. Let's follow this bus. I'm actually considering landing it and waiting for the wind to subside, but it's too late now. I'm in the air. I don't want to waste battery landing and taking off again. Plus it might stay like this now. Yeah, it's really like, the drone's like burning the battery really quickly. I've only flown for 6 minutes and we're already half battery. What I might do, I might stay static so we don't burn up too much battery. Like as soon as the 360 photo came, that's when the wind just started. Yeah, I was gonna plan to go somewhere else, but I'll see. Depending on if, because it looks like the clouds are getting more scattered. Could have waited for a better day, but let's get a nice shot of the town centre of Welling. Because obviously the higher up we are, the more winds there are. Let's not do like 300 feet. Let's just do that 200 feet when I next do the 360 photo, which will probably be at the end of this drone flight. I'll probably do it then. Should we go down towards here? Yeah, let's go down towards here. Let's go down towards this area, this part of Bexley. Seems to have calmed down now. I don't feel the wind, which is good. Seems like it's going to stay sunny now. Look at that, we've got Shell. Got Shell petrol station. Look at that, Welling. Got a train station right over here. Look at that, we'll just go all the way down there towards this area. The wind has subsided now, which is good. We'll just stay in this area and then we'll come back. Look at that, it's an amazing shot, isn't it? What we'll do, get a shot of this car coming back. We're going to come back in tailwind now, so should be good. Look at that. Amazing shot here in London Borough of Bexley. Welling. Depending on how this weather pans out, I might do a second drone flight somewhere else, hopefully. Let's get a shot of the whole area of Welling. I did the same thing in Erith. We're actually not far from Erith, we're in South East London. It's got the Morrisons right over here, the main side. What else have we got? We've got a good thing is that we've got no more winds now. Let's get a shot of this area down there. Let's chase the sun because it's cloudy. It's crazy that in one spot it's cloudy and where the drone is, even though it's not that far, it's sunny. We're getting a shot in the sunshine, which is insane. Mental insane. Let's go down towards this area down there. Look at that. Get a nice shot in this area. What we'll do, get a shot down towards here. Something about that looks insane. Right, let's turn back. Sunny in this area. Drone's moving back slowly, which can't be a good thing if we're far away, but we're not that far, so let's go down towards this area. I want to check out this neighbourhood down there. Get a shot of this area down towards here. Got a little dealership in this area. Let's get a shot of this. Then what we'll do is start heading back and we'll try and get a 360 photo in. Actually, we can get a 360 photo because the wind stopped. See, I wasted my battery a little bit on that. See, as a result, our drone flight's only 13 minutes long. So what we'll do is just come back now towards this road. Really nice shot. The wind's picked up again somehow. I think because it was cloudy for that a few seconds, that was enough to create some kind of wind effect. You can actually hear it in the video at low battery. Right, let's do 360 photo in this area.
Yeah, this way.
Like where? See, yeah.
Yeah, just see if I can get a voucher. They'll give you more voucher than you do.
Alright, it's picked up again now. It keeps saying strong wind warning. I don't know why, even though it's windy, it should carry on doing it, but the drone refuses to do it for some reason. Let's land quickly. Land in this parking spot, and it just got cloudy as soon as we land. Look at that. I'll see if I do a second drone flight today. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Bexley, South East London, Welling. I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching.